What's up, guys? I'm here with one of our project managers, Vin.
How's it going, guys? How's everything?
You knocked this out of the park.
I appreciate it, man.
Really, this basement is amazing. What did we say? It's about
1,300 square feet.
Yeah, you're going to be surprised how much stuff we got into 1,300 square feet, and more importantly, how nice and the way it's put together. I mean, starting right here.
This is just amazing. We did these niches on both sides.
Yep.
We incorporated some lights in each one. We actually put this nice piece of wood right here above the
Yeah,
fireplace.
nice mantle, keeps the heat from the fireplace away from the TV. And I love how you brought the TV section out so you can recess that in. This is a lot harder than you think because it's all drywall and spackle and corner bead.
It's got to be perfect.
And
it has to be level.
And when you make it worse by putting a light on it, you're really highlighting it. So you did a killer job on this.
Thank you.
Really looks great.
Awesome.
And I love how we got this sitting area and it's in the center of the basement with the open stairs.
Yeah, he wanted like a both effect of having the theater, but also being able to sit out here if he doesn't want to fully watch a movie in there. So we thought this would be a pretty cool idea, bringing out the TV, putting a fireplace here. It's a nice little hangout area.
And we'll get to that theater in a minute, but let's check out this gym. So in this case, our client here was a professional athlete, and he came to us. He actually was following us for many years until he was ready, and he had a lot of memorabilia and his trophies and stuff like that.
Yeah, we built these two areas right here, 4 trophies specifically that he's had over the years. But in here we had a lot of stuff going on, access panels. There was a lot
LED light. I like the sayings on the wall, the logos that you have going on.
It's pretty cool. Like even the access panel right there has a saying on the wall, which is pretty cool that he incorporated it right here.
Yeah, really good. And I love it. He played the Cheez It Bowl.
Yeah, which is pretty cool. It's an all-star game with a lot of celebrities too.
Yeah,
it makes it cool.
And I love this, how you reinforce the wall so we can hang the plates and we got them off the ground. I mean, just little touches like this really make a big difference.
Even the mirrors and the lights around them, it came out pretty cool. So
amazing. And this floor is awesome.
No one really does this because they want to have the padding in here if they're dropping weights, but this is actually a sweet vinyl flooring that you can put in here.
Love this a lot.
Yeah, it's
really this is the first time we've ever done this.
I don't think we've done this before.
So we're back here where we started, and just to the left right here, we got the movie theater. We do have one column here, so we used it as an entrance because we opened up both sides of the stairs into the movie theater. So this is a really special place. I mean, you get like 8 people in the theater comfortably and another 4 or 5 more outside.
Yeah. So we opened up both sides. We were originally going to maybe put a door here and keep it closed, but he wanted the effect of keeping it open and closed, which it worked out great because it kind of ties in and acts as like a dual post. So you can
totally agree. And I feel like when you sit in here and you turn off the lights, you really feel like you're close
there.
You
really do, because you could dim them. Once it goes down, feels like
oh, that's sick. That feels good.
It does.
That feels good. I love the accent lighting too on all the pictures.
We did that on each picture just so that it gives them effect. You can see them even when the LEDs are off and the lights in here. You could just leave this on.
I actually like that a lot, and it shines right on each one.
Yeah, which is sweet.
And this is really nice and symmetrical too.
But you didn't even know.
What's that?
There's a hidden door here.
Come on.
Patty ice.
I didn't even know.
It's access to that water main. So.
Yeah, I forgot about that water main. Great job.
Yeah, because we were going to do access panels originally, but we thought that this would work out better. He wanted the effect of putting pictures inside of a panel. So
actually, perfectly done. Perfect spot to do it.
It's all symmetrical throughout. We left one on each end.
That's
centered all of them. We made sure that they would fit perfect in there.
Great job.
When we do the carpentry work, we actually kind of had the size pictures, which was great from the homeowner. So
so these are all things that are going on during the course of the job, where the project managers are having these conversations with the homeowners and figuring things out on the fly. This is something I didn't even know you did.
Yeah.
Obviously, since I was here for the design, but great.
And then,
great
we took it over and we made sure
that's what we want, man. So let's continue to. All right, so we go back out through here, and we're back in the main area. Obviously, we have the gym over there, and again, great spot right here. It's nice and bright. It feels good. Really put a nice bathroom in here. We have a full bathroom with a shower. So big bathroom.
It's a big bathroom.
Yeah.
As you walk in, you have a nice floating vanity right here. We got a good sized mirror. This mirror lights up. You can change the colors on it.
Shower's huge.
Shower is really big. It's a great size shower. You can fit comfortably in there, which is good. Nice rain head, shower head. We also have a niche, nice tiles in here.
We're not done. So let's continue out here. We come back out into the main area. Really good setup here because we had to hide a couple things, and we also needed a place for his game.
Yeah.
Which I noticed was fun getting down.
It was definitely a process. Me and the homeowner actually brought it down together. It was fun. We took it apart, brought it down to pieces, but it came out good. So
looks great.
It's in there.
So on either side here, what we did was we created these hidden bookshelf doors, and then this one right here, you can see has the ejector pit for the bathroom. So we did run it a little bit of length from the bathroom, but it was a good place to hide it. over
Yeah,
here.
no, it was because we built this in actually with the 2 doors on the side.
Yeah.
And we thought this was a perfect spot. He wanted to keep the window, so
Listen, it worked out great, and it hit the pump and got him a storage closet.
Right here, he's gonna probably put some blankets, pillows, all that good stuff in
Yeah.
here for the theater because we have the theater right over there.
And now we're gonna go to the last part of the basement over here. As you can see, you enter through this opening between these columns, and we got this little kitchenette right here. Obviously, you can grab a snack, drink, go out into that main area, or come over here to the bar stools. Obviously, they're not here yet. And sit here and watch a movie. You can have a snack, drink, whatever.
Yeah, like you always said, they really don't want to do the front and back doors, so
Yep.
this acts as the front.
And saves a ton of space when you split the
It
front
really
and back wall
does.
like
It
this.
really does. Because now you can come from here to just grab a drink.
Knock it out of the park,
Yeah, I
man.
appreciate it. You know what they said?
What's that?
If we can't do it,
Can't be done.